Another advantage of edge computing is its efficiency. By processing data locally, edge computing can reduce the amount of data that needs to be transmitted to remote servers. This can help to reduce network congestion and bandwidth costs, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses. Edge computing also provides businesses with increased security. By keeping data local, edge computing can help to reduce the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches. This is particularly important in applications such as healthcare and finance, where data privacy and security are critical. Challenges of edge computing. Despite its benefits, there are some challenges associated with edge computing. One of the main challenges is the lack of standardization. With edge computing being a relatively new technology, there are currently no industry-wide standards for how it should be implemented. This can make it difficult for businesses to adopt the technology. Another challenge of edge computing is the cost of implementation. Unlike cloud computing, which can be implemented on a subscription basis, edge computing requires businesses to invest in new hardware and infrastructure. This can make it a more expensive option than cloud computing, particularly for smaller businesses. Choosing the right solution for your business. When deciding whether to use cloud computing or edge computing, there are several factors that businesses need to consider. These include their specific needs and requirements, as well as their budget and resources. For businesses that require flexibility and scalability, cloud computing is often the best option. It allows businesses to access resources as and when they need them and provides a cost-effective solution for managing data and applications. For businesses that require speed, efficiency, and increased security, edge computing may be the better option. While it may require a greater investment in hardware and infrastructure, the benefits of faster processing speeds and increased security can outweigh the costs. It's worth noting that cloud computing and edge computing are not mutually exclusive. Many businesses are now using a combination of both technologies to create a hybrid cloud environment. This allows businesses to take advantage of the benefits of both cloud computing and edge computing while minimizing the drawbacks. As technology continues to advance, the computing landscape will continue to evolve, bringing with it new opportunities and challenges. As such, businesses need to remain vigilant and proactive in their approach to technology, continually assessing their needs and finding the right solutions to drive their operations forward. Moreover, as more and more businesses move towards digitalization, there has been a surge in demand for specialists who can help them implement and manage these solutions. With technology advancing at an unprecedented rate, we are witnessing a paradigm shift in the way businesses operate, and choosing the right computing model is more important than ever. Cloud computing, one technology that has revolutionized the world, allows businesses to store, manage, and process data over the internet through remote servers. Among its many advantages, cloud computing offers scalability and accessibility. Whether it is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service, the cloud providers offer the resources businesses need to operate optimally. However, businesses that use cloud computing must also grapple with some challenges, including security concerns that arise from storing data on remote servers. They should also factor in the risk of service disruption, which, in turn, can have a significant impact on the business. Edge computing is another computing model that differs from cloud computing by placing computing resources closer to where the data is generated and used. Edge computing devices alleviate network strain by processing data locally rather than sending it over to remote servers. The speed and efficiency of edge computing make it an excellent solution for autonomous vehicles and real-time analytics.